second issue for me is just doing something very important for the society together with some sustainable which we can carry to all generations and doing the best from our bottom of the heart, which is really affordable, which can be continued, which can be really implemented. I want to take that as an information. That's what I have done it. Tech Bags India Private Limited is manufacturing genuine biodegradable plastics which can biodegrade in a lab condition within 180 days. In environment condition, it may take approximately a year. Everyone, we all are working towards the same goal only. Probably people are trying to switch over to paper bags or jute bags or cloth bags, then non-woven bags, something like that. Then biodegradable bags also. It's a part of the alternate to the normal plastic bags, which we all are thinking about it. So we found that normal plastics alternative has to be almost equally priced or slightly more than that. Not huge. It should not be 1:5. It can be only 1:2 maximum. We found that all the other products like cotton bags, jute bags or paper bags all are very expensive. Next point is that the paper bags, if you think about it, normally we don't take the paper bag once again for as a reuse. It cannot be, it is not served as a reusable bag. Because none of us would have taken once again, I'm going to market, I'm taking my another paper bag for buying. No. Probably plastic bag they would have taken for various purposes, or even cloth bag they would have taken for various purposes. Not very few times, probably jute bag also they would have taken to the shop, not paper bags to my knowledge. So as a alternative to the paper bags, this is one of the best option. Secondly, for jute bags, again it is very expensive. It is very thick and hard to carry everywhere. So as an alternate, again that is also not viable people to carry everywhere. And most of the paper, jute bags also inside is laminated. It is not giving the full genuine, the solution to the real problem of no to plastic. So anyway you are carrying plastic inside as laminated. Even the paper bags also laminated. Jute bags also mostly laminated. If it is not laminated, it will not have the strength. To have the strength, you need to go for a very high quality. Then it is extremely expensive. It is not viable for a one-time usage. So we thought this is one of the best way to go ahead. Then when our team of people could succeed using the normal plastic itself, we can make it biodegradable. Then we have to take a decision. Yes, it is important that we bring it to the world, that it has to be available everywhere. Every common person, even a small vendor, has to use this. That was our motive. We brought down the prices. We did a lot of research on how to bring down the price. We are successful on that. I can say that none of the people can give even closer to our price any genuine biodegradable plastics in this world presently in the environment. So that is important. See, unless you are satisfied with yourself, you cannot bring it to the market. Once you are satisfied, then you need to fit into the international protocol, some standards of international accepted standards. Once you complete that standards, only you can bring it to the market. We proved that, yes, we are convinced, then we could convince by doing the testing with one of the international standards in well-reputed laboratory in India. Then we could go to the next level. We were able to go to the next level. So that started only after 2008. So when we introduced the product, the knowledge was limited. They do not know about what is biodegradable plastic. Really, they do not know how to assess the biodegradable plastic. What are the parameters to be understood? How to evaluate? And it was very limited. We need to first bring the knowledge. Then second point is price. Price is definitely, it is very costlier, costlier than the virgin plastic. But there are few people who are buying virgin material alone. It is also there. But when virgin material, you cannot say that it is environment friendly. Everywhere you can see that virgin material made of 40 micron or 50 micron, environment friendly. I do not know how it is friendly to the soil. It is not. But only the idea is that it is friendly for recycling. not for the environment. 10 years down the line, definitely every common person will understand, or one of the major step is to make the people aware in wherever possible, however the best possible ways we can reach the public. We have been doing this out of coastal cleanup program or any lot of environment programs. We have joined with a lot of corporates and some governments, government activities. Every activity they buy from us, and all major important events, in a sense, any like Environment Day or Earth Day or any other days, whatever the people wants to do, they program anything for awareness, they buy from us, especially the garbage bags. We have come out with 2 different types of garbage bags for segregation. One is biodegradable waste, other one is non-biodegradable waste segregation, other one is biodegradable waste segregation. So in green and red color, both are actually biodegradable plastic bags, but segregation of the material is very important. So that is the one area where we have come out with the biodegradable plastics for 2 different purposes. I am sure everyone has got something in our mind to do something to the society. At least that is enough. I am sure people will accept it. Initially it may be a problem because this kind of change will not take suddenly, immediately. I am a very strong believer that if you keep doing the same exercise, unless you are not sure about what you are doing it, you may not be successful. Otherwise, definitely you will be very successful if you keep doing the same exercise, if you are sure of what you are. See, the government, there are certain governments, they do not clearly understand still even the banning agencies, government agencies, which they ban simply, they give the ban for all plastics. That's a real big problem we are facing. See, people should understand as a right alternate product to plastic. They should understand these are the A, B, C, D is the best possible alternate to the plastic bags. Then they should first identify these are the plastic can be used as alternate to the plastic bag. Then only they should ban. Without that, if they say just simply ban, it is not going to work. If at all they ban, one of the states they ban plastic bags, they should identify, yes, paper bags are good provided they are not laminated. They accept the jute bags if they are also not laminated. They should not allow the non-woven bags. Wherever the bags are, the plastic is banned, immediately I can show you these kinds of bags which are treated like, which are called as non-woven bags, which is nothing but made out of plastic. 98.3% is polypropylene. And these are all printed, these are all used widely in the states or the cities or the places where the plastic is banned. So the agency who is banning this should take the real responsibility to stop this also. Criticism, yes, they will, for everything there is a criticism. So that they said we are the only people presently making use of the normal HDPE plastic granules as a base raw material and making this completely biodegradable. So adding some enzyme, we are able to make this completely biodegradable. The people could not believe that plastic can biodegrade. Yes, they are right so far till now. It is not invented. Okay, when the people could prove that it is a microbial activity happening when it is in contact with the soil, when with the inoculum, whatever the manure or whatever the soil, wherever you throw it, if there is a microbial activity which takes the plastic completely biodegraded into CO2, then you are proving that it is happening. There is no need for us to say that it is not. Okay, but people are thinking that still it is, no, plastic will not biodegrade. A few days back I met one of the very senior person in pollution control board in one of the states. But unfortunately he said if there is any content of biodegradable, plastic is there in the bag which is claimed as biodegradable plastic, then they will prosecute. Correct. They can't do it provided the people could not prove that the biodegradation is not happening. I told them that please look at the result more than the ingredients. See, for what purposes you are banning, it should not harm the environment, it should not harm the soil, it should not harm the germination of any plants or anything. These are the basics. Of course, there are few more solutions also there for if the cow or any animals is eating that, and if the drainage system is blocked, there are solutions to it. But biodegradable plastic cannot give the complete solution. If the drainage is blocked, I think that is a problem from the public. See, we do not segregate. We do not throw in the proper way. I cannot say simply that if it is I get choked with the drainage system, then it will biodegradate. I cannot say, because it requires always for 6 months to 1 year time. How can I give a say, it will biodegrade within few days time? No, it is wrong. But it requires soil condition, it requires the atmosphere heat, and it requires all the basics of biodegradation. Then only it can happen. That is true. No? If the government really understands and they want to seriously give the solution, they will be the first person to join hands with us. But they should do that. Not only me. I'll tell you, if they are supposed to, they have to identify the right alternate. See, a biodegradable plastic is or compostable or any standard. There are a lot of standards that people are claiming. Mine is ASTM standard, mine is European standards, mine is Australian standards, mine is ISO standards. There are a number of standards. Okay, similarly there are composting, biodegradable, biocompost, okay. Everyone has got different way of certifying their logo. It's all, or that people are getting confused. There is marine composting is there, and industrial composting is there, environment composting is there, biodegradable is there. See, ultimately what matters to narrow down for whatever the name they call it, whatever the standard they say. 3 important conditions. One is 90% at least CO2 evolution, whatever it happens. Carbon dioxide evolution is the biodegradation or composting. CO2 evolution should happen at least 90% in 180 days in a lab condition. That is number one. There should not be any heavy metal added more than the prescribed limit as per their standards. Third important thing is that germination should happen in the same soil where the biodegradation is proved. So if these 3 conditions are satisfied, all are genuine biodegradable plastic. Let it be anything. If the people are not able to prove, then only the problem comes, because you don't, then after the biodegradation and the heavy toxicity analysis and the germination is proved, third, finally they can just go into the purpose of what purposes they are using it. Number one, if they want to use it for the marine purposes, they can think about the marine condition. They can, if they want to use it for the simply carelessly thrown plastic, they should think about that particular usage of that. If it is for carry bag, it should not deteriorate even during the shelf life, like starch-based material or polylactic or anything. They can deteriorate in the normal shelf life. Then you cannot have the strength, you cannot have the bag having a long shelf life or anything. Then it's a problem. So, purpose is secondary. I would like to say these 3 parameters, once they are satisfied, the government should implement. Yes, they all are qualified. Get it registered with us. We will allow that. Please join hands with us. They should also give some subsidy or even tax concession to compete the price. In a sense, compared to the normal price, it is definitely highly priced. So because you need that kind of process, there is a loss in the processing itself is happening. These are basics of the manufacturing of biodegradable plastics. So they should encourage, and very important aspect, government should allow biodegradable plastic even from 20 micron. They have banned 40 micron from even biodegradable. They have banned plastics or even normal plastic or biodegradable plastic, anything. If they are manufactured less than 40 micron, they all are banned. So in such a case, what happened? Government should allow 20 micron onwards for biodegradable plastics instead of 40 micron, and which is also kept at par with the other plastics. The reason is, if it is lesser micron, faster the biodegradation. However, you have to add more of your basic properties of what to biodegrade again within the same time. Okay, it is double the cost, double the material, unnecessary. If they can 20 micron can serve the, because 20 micron can be given at a lesser rate than the 40 micron bag of other plastics. They should think about that and encourage biodegradable plastic if they seriously want to do something to that. It depends from the implementing agencies, not from the customers. Customers are very happy, they are very knowledgeable, they are able to understand when we prove with the test reports. And also we request them to just physically just keep it in the environment. In the sense, we all are either carelessly throwing in the surface of the soil, or municipal corporations collecting and throwing in the dumping yard. It is all kept in the surface of the soil. None of them in our lifetime, not even once, we all would have buried even one bag in our lifetime. Correct. So the solution what we have provided is the carelessly thrown bag should get biodegraded on its own. That's it. So this solution, when we could prove, the people or just even keep it in the surface of the soil where sunlight, moonlight, all the air and rain or whatever comes. It's in the common place, they just keep it, and they are observing it in about 4 or 5 months time. Partial biodegradation has happened in almost 1 year's time maximum. Everything has happened. If they have seen in their own eyes how the biodegradation is really happening. Okay, so this is the one thing from the customer side. Physically, if you see the biodegradation, you are happy. Okay. We could satisfy ourselves that when the degradation or when the disintegration is happening, this is all attracted by the microbial activity. In the sense, it's all bacteria is eating it. We know because we are adding something. Okay, we are also able to get convinced once the partial things happen. Yeah, now it is breaking down. This integration is happening. That is going to biodegrade. So we are sure about what we are doing. And whereas the customers are very happy that they are able to take the product when they could believe with the other samples and the biodegraded samples, as well as they can see certain difference in the product also. And we are also having the test reports. So based on that, and we explain how to assess a biodegradable plastic, how the toxicity should be measured, how it is measured, and that also you have proved by the test, and the germination happened. These 3 things which we have proved, and there are certain stages of biodegradation in certain places where it is not controlled by us, by other departments, where the people have done the biodegradation. We showed them the sample of biodegradation, how it has happened. So these all really make them to understand, and they are able to take it really. See, they should use their expertise to take it or leave it, but mostly they are accepting it quality wise. Only the price, if they are not affordable or anything, they are not able to come to us. But whereas the government bodies are certain places where the people are creating the policies, few people are able to understand, they are very happy, they have seen something nice. Unfortunately, they are not the decision maker, they could not take it. There are certain places, the decision maker, they do not want to take the responsibility that in case any problem or anything, I don't want to get into anything. Other category, they do not want to accept at all, as if they know everything. Okay, see, whenever there is something new technology, anyone coming with that, probably they would have had a different experiences. A lot of people showing that OXO, which is very bad to the environment. OXO biodegradable plastic is the one, which is originated from UK, and those products are not biodegradable. They are with oxidization. They are only degradable. There are a lot of degradable products which are not biodegradable, which have been proved by a life cycle analysis of DEFRA, Department of Environment Rural Affairs in UK. So when they have done the given the life cycle analysis and bioplastic control, all the people have given a lot of studies gone into it. Also biodegradable people could not prove the microbial activity. So those products people would have approached the government bodies, people, they may not have been convinced about it. Probably they will have the mindset that this also would be like this. This is the problem, but we need to keep educating them. That's the only way we are left, nothing else. Till they accept it, we cannot enter into the market. That's the only problem we are having. Whereas they are still allowing the normal plastic or non-woven bag, which are very bad to the environment. And other places, only with the handle, the bags are banned. Even for packing any of the food items, they all are allowed. I do not know how to explain where to start and how to. Very difficult to explain. See, keep looking at some right product. I am very sure that you will have something in your mind that will match your the product. What you are looking at will come one day or other. I am sure, or like the one which is best, start liking to that. And either you get the product or start liking and do something innovative and different. it is possible. There are lots of ways to do good to the society. If it is anything wrong, if you are not convinced, you feel that it is not going to happen, it is partially or nothing, please don't do it at the cost of any environment. You can do any businesses, still that can be innovative, that can be very challenging or anything, but not at the cost of the next generation and the green planet. That is not right. So sure, if the product is good, perfectly right, if you are 100% convinced, don't worry about it. Keep doing. People will start accepting. Government, all the agencies are very sure one day or other they will accept it, because they are not sure of what it is. There are policies which should have stopped them not to take it to the next level. I am sure they will understand, then they will come.